Hey friends, if you wish to draw a double underline in Microsoft Word, then please watch this video. Now, earlier it would have been a difficult thing, but these days we have an easy option. So just select the text for which you need a double underline, and then instead of clicking on U, click on the downward pointing arrow associated with it. The second option is double underline, but to be sure about it, just hover your mouse over it. Does it read double underline? If yes, then click on it. So double underline has its own significance and importance for a lot of professionals, and you can use it if that is required. Once you have selected double underline, whatever you select for underline will actually be double underlined itself. Okay, if I select U, it will always be double underlined unless I select it back at single underline, okay, or normal underline as they call it. And if you write anything further, it will be double underlined as well unless you change it to the default option, or you just make sure that underline is unchecked. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.